Hi guys, I gave my i20 2017 model avian for service with this ISC and service center. It was completely shut down. It was not switching on. I checked battery, everything was intact. The system was completely shut down. There was no power on also. I checked a lot in the internet. I found him in the YouTube, and I just gave him over the courier service. He did a great job. You can see that it's working now. I'll just show a quick demo. Everything is completely fine now, and he charged a very nominal price for all this service. Let me just quickly walk through features.
So much. You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high.
So this is new steering control, everything is working well. Let me change to FM mode now. You can see FM is also running properly. Let me switch to the navigation now. Navigation is working fine. You can see the map here. Map is also loading properly, and you can see the Bluetooth working. Bluetooth. We'll go back to the song. I'll change the song now.